In this video, we will learn how to return 3XX like 301, 302 status code from ASP.NET Core Web API application. Now go to controller base class, go to definition, here search for local redirect. Here we have this local redirect method. Now let's see the summary of this method. This method is used to redirect some data to the specified local URL. Now we will use this first method in our controller. In this animals controller, let's create one more action method. So copy this method and paste it here. Here change the route, test, and then get test animals. Here we will use redirect method. In this method, we need to pass local URL. Here we will redirect to this method. So URL for this method is API and then animals. That's it. Now save and run this app. Here open a network tab. Here append the URL API animals and then test. Press enter. Here we got two calls. In first one is 302 status code, second one is 200. In the first call, we got 302 status code and type is document redirect. In the second call, we got the output and the status code is 200. Local redirect is work only with locally. External links like Google or something will not work here. If you want to return data permanently, then you can use this second method, local redirect permanent. Let's copy this method and stop the execution. Go to animals controller. Here replace this local redirect with this local redirect permanent. Now save and run this application again. Navigate to the URL. Let's append test here. Press enter. See here. Again we got two calls. In the first one we got 301 status code. Type is redirect. In the second one we got 200 status code. And then we got output 2. See here. Here we typed test with this URL. But now it is redirected to this URL. Here we got 301 status code means it means permanent redirect. If you want to redirect temporarily, then you can use 302 status code. That means local redirect. If you want to redirect permanently, then you can use 301 status code. That means local redirect permanent method. This is how we can use these status codes in ASP.NET Core Web API application. Thanks for watching this video.